Hey everybody, what's up? It's Eric from Life Beyond Tech, and sorry I haven't made a video in a while. I'm gonna be making a video every week now, and a lot and hopefully during the weekdays too, when I have nothing going on. Yeah. So anyway, there'll be more videos coming soon, I promise. I've been really busy with everything, so uh, let's get started. They teach you how to make your own Pokemon card for free online, and this is my Pokemon card I made. It's a giraffe. Pretty cool. And you can make one just like this by going to PokemonCardMaker.org, and you get this editor, and you can add images and stuff. For the name, you can put like Google, 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 and you can put like evolves from. How should you what is it? This should be like a thing for the evolving evolution. It falls from I don't know YouTube, but YouTube. The specs, like search engine, and then you can add all this stuff, like weaknesses, uh, resistance, and then you can add all this stuff, and you can add moves like search. And you get like a we got a little icon. Let's see this one, and you can add another move like website. Up my mic, sorry about that, guys. And then you get the damage. Let's just go 200 again. And it mentions your flash player, because you need a flash player to do this. And you get to keep customizing everything and all this stuff, and have the image and stuff, all that stuff. So it's a pretty cool website, and after a while, if you do it well, you can really make a good Pokemon card. Like, come on, like this, and it's pretty awesome. Like I said, you can choose a card element, so I'll make Google, but make more. Ooh, what would Google be? We'll make Google that. Alright, so yeah, so after a while, click editing, you can make a good call like this. Thanks for watching, guys. And remember to subscribe. And like I said, more videos coming soon, I promise. Alright, so thanks. Thanks for watching and subscribe. Bye, everybody.